Drive-thru graduation. What are you getting today?
I'm getting that.
What are you ordering? The number one? The honors diploma?
Select fries with that?
Yeah. Are you getting the number 2 GED? You know what I'm saying?
D animal style. Neapolitan shake.
Neapolitan shake.
Neapolitan shake.
With a side of STEM accreditation.
With a side of STEM accreditation.
Yeah.
Honors diploma.
That's right. Look at that.
5.0.
Look at those bands, bruh. Look at those bands.
National Honors Society. Let's get it.
Flex.
Let's get it.
Get it, baby.
Get into it.
Yeah.
Shine in the river. Yeah. Life is older than the trees. Blowing like a breeze. Country road. Take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
Wait, what? What's the problem?
Well, I was going to have Morgan stick her head out, but you can't now when Daddy's
We should have stuck the flag on here.
Morgan, you were so last minute.
You guys are supposed to do that for me. Sorry,
Yeah.
God, I'm not supposed to do anything today.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to wake up and graduate.
Lauren, do you have your phone to give to her?
Perfect. Let me take pictures for you? Yes. Yes.
Lauren, give her your phone, bro.
Oh. Yeah, let me get a couple far away real quick on the car in between, okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Jesse Lopez.
Next station after DJ Fun. Yeah, let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby.
There you go. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You did a fabulous job. Look at all your stickers.
Whoa, thank you.
Here's
Dang.
all your awards.
Okay.
Here, you get to put this on. It's your academic award.
Oh.
And I wanted to ask you, did you win a scholarship?
I did.
You did?
Yes.
Because you got 2.
No.
So,
You're kidding.
no. One of
let's
them
hear it.
is going to have the directions on to do for the school.
Okay.
The other one is through a foundation that supports our schools. And
Okay.
normally they give it to us at the award ceremony. They're going to have a plaque, and they're going to have, it's a music scholarship.
Oh,
And so what you'll
okay.
need to do is follow the directions on the inside to get the plaque and the
Is
certificate.
it the Ricky?
Yes.
Okay, thank
Now,
you.
when you do the Ricky Wood Ring, you got one from Hunsberger. When you do the Ricky Wood Ring, don't send a thank you note
Okay.
to this address.
Okay.
Instead, follow the directions here to pick it up and just take it.
Okay.
Okay, so you got 2.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Got some good money in your pocket.
Thank
Congratulations.
Gangin'.
That's Miss Applebach.
Gangin'. Oh, is this the family photo center? Hey, you just took a picture, man. Was it cool or what? Yeah.
Oh, those are the teachers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you. Hi, Mr. Walker. What's up?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You look so excited right now.
Oh, I didn't think I was gonna do it. Did you? I didn't think
I had my
so.
doubts. Definitely.
Yeah.
First couple weeks at AP, I was like, I don't know if she's gonna make it.
Samesies. I was like, there's no way.
No.
but here I am.
What are you doing next year?
I'm going to West Virginia University.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, I'm going to study forensic sciences.
Sweet.
They're going to trust me around some dead bodies. Do you think they should?
No, probably not.
Probably not.
That's a terrible idea.
That's a terrible idea. I know.
Well, congratulations. That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Big accomplishments.
I miss you.
So I just keep going.
It's okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you give that to Ms. Zoe.
Okay.
Take your diploma and go get your diploma.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's, make sure you
That's
have
a
that.
good idea.
We all get out?
Oh no!
Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Good thing she wasn't on the stage.
Oh, there's a stage there?
I know. I just wreaked havoc.
Mrs. Cunningham's gonna jump in there.
All right.
Take care of business.
Morgan, Taylor, Louie.
Yeah! She know about Pangea!
Do one more.
Yeah!
Down city stairs.
Morgan.
All right, congratulations. Take care.
You too.
I will.
These swag bags.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Here you go, hon.
Thank
Go
you.
do great things. Well done.